So how you doing?
Good. So I just got back from Florida, so I've been on a plane, so just a little stiff from that.
Okay, but not too bad?
Not too bad, no.
Awesome.
So the only thing that has been bothering me is just the arthritis and the stiffness down in my sacrum. But I have not really been feeling any pain in my legs.
That's
which
good.
is good. Like I can fully move. It's really just the stiffness that I feel.
Right.
The arthritis down in there.
Right. Hey, do you want to work on your feet? Because might as well, right? It's our last one. So
Yeah.
take your shoes off and we'll give you the works.
I get, just every once in a while I get like a little numbness and feeling in my left pinky toe.
Okay.
And I feel just blood flow or.
Right. And remember, the nerve that supplies the pinky toe, it comes all the way from your back down your leg and the side of your lower leg. So make sure you're stretching that side muscle too. And like you can do circles with your foot or ABCs. You can massage it, stroking up towards the heart. So you're also helping the lymphatic drainage and like wiggling the toes, making sure you have room for your toes, because shoes, even the ones you have there, the Reeboks, they're squishing your toe in, and that can include the blood flow to the pinky too, because these bones are too squished. So does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, let's get you on your back face up. Yeah, you're not that bad. Good job.
Yay.
You can feel that one though, right? It's not bad, but it's just a little, it's hard for me to even get to it. It's so small. Right there, you feel it? Yeah. So we're gonna do a little adjustment that direction. Breathe in. Nice. And breathe in. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, we'll give that a little rub. Ooh, that's a tight muscle. Try to relax it as I torture you, right?
That was from sitting at the airport for 7 hours yesterday.
Yeah, I just flew in from Canada and we had a 7-hour layover too, because it went from like, we pulled in at night and then the next flight was in the morning. Yeah, those are the worst. Not enough time to get a hotel, but it's still an all-nighter. There we go. It's going. See how that's getting less sore? But that's just a tight muscle. That was easy to get rid of. Yeah, and that one's fine. All right, let's check your hands.
This one you'll be able to tell my TikTok page has been really funny lately.
I'll put you on TikTok too then. And then in your armpit here. Good. And then we'll do the other side. You know, also you might want to get some better inserts in your shoes too.
I don't usually wear those.
Okay, good.
Like around. I
Okay.
wear the Hokas that I got those inserts.
Yes, good.
Which I'll just wear those on the train every day. Shoes, to be honest.
Yeah, we're gonna buzz this because that you can tell you've been using that.
I know I need to be better about the rubber band thing. Where you do the opposite on there.
Yeah, what she's talking about is if you're always squishing, it's good to do the opposite, which is get a rubber band and open your hands against resistance. Yeah, you've been using that thumb.
Chiropractor can tell all your secrets.
Yeah. Well, to be truthful, we can find out what's tight on you, but we can't tell you why. We have to, follow you around like a creeper. Oh, that's why she does a lot of TikToks. We can have some pretty good guesses, that's for sure. There, I was not happy. Which foot toe was it again?
The left
one.
toe, which sometimes tingles.
You were tighter on the right. That's bizarre. Lay on this side, facing me this way. I'll do both sides since you're tighter on the right. So I'm going to massage this muscle because the sciatic nerve comes down your back but branches here. So if you're tight there, that can affect the lateral part of your foot.
Usually when I use my massage gun that I have, I just have my mom do my back and then the glutes, but I never have a lay down or lay over.
The goal is to make sure you get this one too. And now you have a bone there, so you don't want to hurt your bone. Make sure you don't get on the bone. And see how I'm putting more pressure when I go up and less when I go down, because I want to encourage the flow to get out, like all that extra fluid out of your feet. Because the lymph in your feet has to drain back into your blood all the way up in your subclavicular vein. Stay there. I'll do the side posture, then we'll turn over and do the same thing on the other side. So this will bend. This goes like so. Any pain with that? And exhaling. There it is. Man, you took a wall up today. Travel will do that, man. All right. And then let's tuck in a little bit. I'm going to go light first, because if it pops light, why do it hard? But exhaling. I got one. And stay there. And I'll double check it, make sure I got enough of it. But that's probably why this pinky wasn't as numb, because the toe was tighter, but the back was looser. The back was way tighter. Yeah, that feels fine. Yeah, it was just the toe then on the right. All right, let's get you on your belly and make sure I got that thing is nice and even. That fixed up for you. I'll buzz your back for you too. You do have something going on right there. Lay on your back one more time. I'll do the hug move for that one, and then we'll give you a nice buzz in the back. And lift your head up and exhaling. Relax. Nope. There it is. Boy, it took 2 doubles today. Let's see how that feels. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah, you're tight on that left side from here down to the SI joints. All right, let's buzz that for you so the muscles stay soft. relaxing. That even feels a lot better. Get that cross pattern in this arm and this leg. All right, did I get everything? I think I did. I always ask. All right, how do you feel?
Good.
How's that pinky feel?
That's fine. It's
Yeah.
just random tingling.
Right.
Do you have like any advice just for that arthritis in the lower?
Keep space alive, keep your abs strong,
Okay.
traction, because the more you compress it, the more the bones are gonna get irritated by that, and that makes them thicken and inflame, can be painful.
And bring
So,
your pull-up bar. So.
yes, yeah, that's my favorite. And plus, it's
will
good,
have
and
that.
yeah, and it's also good for your abs and your upper body strength, and yeah. And it's, I
Mhm.
know it doesn't sound complicated, but it's the frequency. You have to do it
Mhm.
every day.
Yeah.
Got to fight gravity every day.
Yeah.
So, any other questions?
Just kind of like as I go and try to find a new chiropractor,
Mhm.
like how to communicate with someone about what I need and
Mhm.
like the best way to put it of it's not necessarily like a problem that's going to be fixed. It's just the management of all the things my back has been through.
Right.
How I would like present that to someone who's never worked on me before.
Right. Basically, be asking them what's their techniques. Like, do they actually get the joints to pop? Do they put you on your side and twist you, or do they just drop you or flex you? I mean, all the techniques work, but in your case, the side posture really is the best for you. And it'd be nice if they had the flexion table too to loosen you up first, so you're not so compressed when they do that big movement.
Is that like when I'm on my stomach and it's moving like that?
Mm-hmm. And I call it the hug move, but it's the supine P to A adjustment. You can ask them technically that, and the rotary move for the neck. Make sure that they actually pop the spine. And you can show them this video.
Okay.
So when it comes right down to it, can I email you this video? Do you do this? So yeah. And if you have any questions too, just call.
Okay.
And or you can have them call us if he has any questions or she has any questions. So
Okay.
yeah, you'll find somebody. Yeah, I'm not the only good chiropractor out there.
Okay,
thanks, Sam.
come in and experience the Drummond difference. The Drummond difference.